I replaced my battery. Okay guys, so we're here today. I disconnected my battery earlier to change the spark plugs. So now I come to check, see if my radio still works. And apparently I have to enter the code. All right guys, so I found the owner's manual. And apparently someone already did find the code, and they wrote it down on a sticky paper. So 53632 is the code. So let's see. Turn it all the way to the second. Click. Okay, now it says enter the code. The code was 53632. And there you go. The radio works again.